divide. Number 1, square root of 18, x raised to the exponent of 5, divided by the square root of 2x cubed. Use this law of radicals. The nth root of a over the nth root of b is equal to the nth root of a over b. So this is equal to the square root of 18 x raised to the exponent of 5 over 2x cubed. 18 divided by 2 is 9. X raised to the exponent of 5 divided by x cubed is x squared because we subtract the exponents in division. So this is now equal to the square root of 9x squared. And then use this. The nth root of a raised to m is equal to a raised to m over n. The square root of 9 is 3, and then divide the exponent of x, which is 2, by the index, which is understood to be 2. So this is now equal to 3x. The answer is 3x. Number 2, the cube root of 40, x raised to the exponent of 4, divided by the cube root of negative 5x. We are going to do what we did in number 1. So this is equal to the cube root of 40 x raised to the exponent of 4 over negative 5x. 40 divided by negative 5 is negative 8. X raised to the exponent of 4 divided by x is equal to x cubed. So this is equal to the cube root of negative 8x cubed. The cube root of negative 8 is negative 2 because if you multiply negative 2 3 times by itself, you will get negative 8. And then divide the exponent of x, which is 3, by the index of 3. So this is equal to negative 2x. The answer is negative 2x. Rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator means getting rid of the radical from the denominator, thereby making the denominator rational. Let us do number 3. Square root of 3 over square root of 5. The denominator contains a radical symbol. We should get rid of this symbol. And how can we do that? If we multiply the square root of 5 by square root of 5, we will get the square root of 5 squared. And the square root of 5 squared, or square root of 25, is equal to 5. But if we multiply the denominator by square root of 5, we should do the same thing to the numerator. So this is now equal to the square root of 3 over square root of 5 times square root of 5 over square root of 5. And then use this law of radicals. The nth root of a times the nth root of b is equal to the nth root of a times b. We multiply the radicand of the first expression by the radicand of the second expression. So this is now equal to the square root of 3 times 5 over the square root of 5 times 5. This is now equal to the square root of 15 because 3 times 5 is equal to 15 and over the square root of 5 squared. Or if you want 5 times 5, 25 square root of 25. And then this is now equal to the square root of 15 over 5. Can we divide 15 by 5? No, because 15 is under a radical symbol, 5 is not. So the answer is square root of 15 over 5. Number 4. The cube root of 5 over the cube root of 2x raised to the exponent of 4. We should get rid of this radical symbol in the denominator. But how can we do that? If we multiply 2 by 2 squared, we will get 2 cubed. And the cube root of 2 cubed is 2. The exponent of x here is 4. It is not divisible by 3. But if we multiply x raised to the exponent of 4 by x squared, we will get x raised to the exponent of 6 because we add the exponents in multiplication. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. So the cube root of 5 over the cube root of 2x raised to the exponent of 4 times the cube root of 2 squared x squared over the cube root of 2 squared x squared. And then the cube root of 20x squared, 20 because this is the 2 squared is 4, 4 times 5 is 20. And then this is 2 cubed. 2 here as an exponent of 1, it is understood the exponent here is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, so 2 cubed. And then we add the exponents in multiplication. 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is now equal to the cube root of 20x squared over 2x squared. 3 divided by 3 is 1. It is understood the exponent of 2 here is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Can we divide 20 by 2? No. 20 is under a radical symbol. Can we cancel x squared and x squared? No. Because this is under a radical symbol, this x squared is not. So the answer is the cube root of 20x squared over 2x squared.